Here's how to use an Amazon gift card. Now, if you're on a phone or a computer and you want to check an Amazon gift card, maybe add it to your account and buy something through that, I'll walk you through the entire process. But first, hit the subscribe button down below. Really helps me out. Thanks, guys. Now, I bought an Amazon gift card for myself to just walk you through the entire process. So I can tap on the email. You might have gotten a physical card with a code on the back. I'll show you what to do if you did that. But in my case, I just got an email and it says basically $5 and apply to your Amazon account. Now I can tap on that button and it will automatically open up the Amazon app here. And then you can see here, all I need to do is hit apply to account. I can also just tap on copy to code at the very bottom. So you can see here is that little claim code. I can tap on it to copy it, but I'm just gonna hit apply to my account. Now, okay, I have $5 on there, but let's say you had a physical card. You can always add that onto your account by opening up either the Amazon app or Amazon.com. Let's tap on the three lines at the bottom right here. And then we're going to tap on account midway down. Now from here, we need to add that to our balance. So let's scroll down and under payments, we're going to tap on manage gift card balance. You'll be able to see here, I have that gift card balance, $5 that I just added. But if you didn't, you can just tap on redeem another gift code. And all you need to do is either tap on the camera icon and it will physically scan it through the camera, or just enter that claim code in there to be able to add that money on there. Now, okay, you have that gift card balance on your account. Here's how to use it. Let's just go home here. Tap on home again. Let's just say I'm going to buy some sheets. So let's hop in here and hit add to cart on some sheets. And then I'm going to go to my cart. Now you'll be able to see those sheets are added in there, and I'll walk you through the process of buying these with the gift card. I'm going to hit proceed to checkout. And now on the checkout page, it says place the order, and you'll be able to see right under the total is gift card. It oftentimes will default to adding the gift card on there. But if it doesn't, all we need to do is scroll down and you'll be able to see paying with a Visa, and you can see the $5 gift card. I'm going to tap on use a gift card voucher or promo code. So if it doesn't automatically add that in, you can tap on that button and you'll be able to see use Amazon gift card. Now, if you didn't, for whatever reason, want to use it for this purchase, you can always toggle that off, or you can toggle it on. But you can also, if you haven't already added it, at the very bottom, you can turn on add a gift card. So in here, all we need to do is enter in the code again on this screen, and then it will automatically add that to your balance, basically subtract whatever's in the gift card from your balance. If basically your gift card is more than whatever you're buying, you'll just have that balance left over. And then just hit continue here and place order at the very top, and that will buy it using that Amazon gift card. I hope this helps. If it did, hit the like button down below and leave a comment if you have any questions. Thanks, guys.